Hey guys, welcome back to Limited Productions. Today we're going to start a new series of how to do it to the best of our abilities. Today we're going to polish and make Hayden's Alpha nice and shiny and get rid of all the watermarks and scratches and everything. Should be good. Take a look at the paint. You'll notice that there's a lot of watermarks, scratches, there's bird that'll all come out and look good. Alright guys, so I got a liquid cut and polish. I'm just going to put a little bit on there like this, just a tiny dab of it, just to see how it goes. I'll try a little bit out and then get the big buffy thing out and do the whole car. Just rubbing in the polishing compound, and then you just get like a dry bit of the cloth and rub it off because it leaves a tiny bit of residue. Just add little bits at a time so you're not using too much. A bit more time consuming by hand, but it's a bit more satisfying to do. Ran out of battery.
We ran out of battery on here. So, doing it like this, I suppose.
I did the whole Camry like this, so we will survive. While I'm finishing this off, the next step is to put on some wax. This is Bowden's or Bowden's, whatever you like to call it. It's called lazy wax. It's pretty simple. We're just going to spray it on and get a wet cloth, well not a wet cloth, but a cloth and wipe it off, and then get a second cloth to buff it in so that we're not making streaks, so it comes up nice and shiny. Yep. So I've sprayed it on, as you've seen, and rubbed it in with this cloth. I call it the wet cloth. Now I'm just going to buff it out and buff it off with a dry cloth. So you have two separate ones when you're doing it so that you're not making streaks. And it should turn out pretty good. Alright, so while I'm waxing the car, Hayden's going to go around with some glass cleaner and just do all these windows so that we're being a bit more efficient. To protect the paint just that little bit more, we're putting on a ceramic coat. It's just a spray on wipe off thing, same as the wax, nothing special. So it's just same deal as the wax. You just spray it on and then wipe it off. Should work pretty well. Alright guys, you've caught us at our filming location for one of our future videos, and for their final step we've got another product by Bowden's, I don't know how to say it, someone tell me. Boss Gloss. You just mist it on and rub it off with a microfiber cloth and it comes up very nice. It's good for car shows when you just show up and want to rub your car down just to make it that little bit shinier. But it is properly good stuff. It's really quite easy. Like you can go to Supercheap Auto or any other good car shop and buy all these products yourself and do it at home in a matter of hours. It's good fun to do, and the satisfaction of the final product is totally worth it. Alright guys, that's it for the detailing of the Alpha. Thanks for tuning in and watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow our socials, which are here. Hayden will put them in there, that'd be great. Right guys, catch you later.